Hey there. Okay, so we're going to start working through exercise 2, which is computing spectral and geometric attributes. And I'm going to start here with the CWT. So I'm going to go to the spec CWT window and get our nice AASPI interface here. I'm going to load in my seismic data, so the F3 seismic data. I've got kind of the unique project name, exercise 1. I'll add in a suffix 0 for now. We have a lot of choices that we can do in here, so you can see we've got our primary parameters, our spatial operation window, vertical operation. If you want to parallelize, I have 16 processors on my computer, so I'm going to set it to 14 just so it runs a little bit faster. And go back to primary parameters. And for now, we're just going to kind of run through the defaults. But these are all different values that you can go through and change as needed. You can see we've got the smoothing windows. You can apply different filters, AASPI filters, to your data right here. Other things you could change is the different spectral component frequencies that you want to output. And so this may depend a little bit on your data. I'm going to go to the highest frequency of 100 with a frequency increment of 10, and this is just for demonstration purposes. You can spectrally balance the output. You can do a bandwidth extension output if you want. Under the output spectral component volumes, you can see that there's a lot of options for different volumes to output. For now, I'm just going to do the spectral magnitude component, and I want to save these in multiple files. You also have the option for saving these in a single hypercube, where the second axis is set as the frequency. And then there's different seismic attributes that you could define in the seismic spectra. And so I'm going to get the peak attributes. I'm going to click on spectral kurtosis and skewedness. So some nice statistical measures of the spectrum, the spectral bandwidth and mean frequency, and then I'm also going to output spectral slope and roughness. And so once I do this, I execute the spec CWT. It looks like I got an error, which I've never gotten that error before. Let me go back. It seems to be that I have a problem with my memory. So let me change this down to 10 because I'm running some other features on my computer. And then now it runs. So you can see in the execution window that I was able to kind of check that it wasn't working, and then I'm able to record them or watch them and see how much longer they have. So this is something we often check to see if we have enough time to run and get coffee, because we get an estimate of how much time's remaining in each process. And so I'm going to pause the video for now and let it finish running.